Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer email sequences from HubSpot to ActiveCampaign step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your email sequences within HubSpot. Locate the specific email sequence you want to transfer. Click on the sequence to open its details. Take note of the sequence's content and settings. Now, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Go to the Automations tab in ActiveCampaign. Select Create an Automation to start a new project. Choose Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Now, set up your trigger based on the actions you want. Once the trigger is set, begin adding your email sequence steps. Create a new email under the automation workflow. Copy the content from your HubSpot email sequence. Paste the content into the new email template in ActiveCampaign. Make sure to format the email as needed. Repeat this process for each email in the HubSpot sequence. Next, configure the timing for each email in ActiveCampaign. Adjust your settings for delays and conditions, if necessary. Review the entire automation to ensure accuracy. Test the automation to check for any issues. Once verified, activate your automation in ActiveCampaign. Your email sequences have now been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.